Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Rustic farmhouse decor emphasizes a warm, cozy and inviting atmosphere. Inspired by traditional farmhouses, key elements include natural materials, wood, stone, and metal are often used. Reclaimed wood and weathered finishes are common. Neutral colors, whites, creams, and earth tones dominate, creating a calming and timeless look. Vintage touches, antique or vintage items like old-fashioned furniture or farm tools add character. Handcrafted details, items with a handmade or artisanal feel, such as oven baskets or handcrafted ceramics, enhance the charm. Simple and functional, the style favors practical, durable furnishings and decor, often with a simple design. Overall, it is about creating a relaxed, homey space with no too traditional rural life. Here is a detailed overview of rustic farmhouse decor. Characteristics: colors: neutrals, whites, beiges, grays, and browns are common to keep the space light and warm. Earth tones, greens, blues, and rust can be used as accents to reflect the natural surroundings. Furniture, antique or vintage, furniture often features a old or distressed look with sturdy, functional designs. Farmhouse tables, large wooden dining tables are staple, often paired with mismatched chairs. Comfortable setting, overstuffed sofas and armchairs, travel fabrics like linen or cotton. Decor, handmade items, quilts, oven rugs, and pottery add a personal touch. Window spines, old farm tools, antique sign, and retro kitchenware enhance the farmhouse feel. Nature-inspired floral arrangements, potted plants, and rustic baskets bring in elements of the outdoors. Architectural elements, exposed beams, wood beams on the ceiling, are a hallmark of rustic design. Sheep lamp, wooden paneling often painted white or left natural, adds texture and charm. Fireplaces, stone or brick fireplaces are often a focal point in a rustic farmhouse. Lighting, candelabras, often made from old iron or wood. Painted lights, simple vintage style pictures work well. Lamps, table and floor lamps with fabric shades or metal base can add to the cozy ambience. Tips for achieving the look: mix and mats. Combine different textures and patterns to create a layered, lived-in look. Dye projects incorporate homemade or upcycled items for authenticity and personal touch. Keep it simple, opt for uncluttered spaces, with a focus on practicality and comfort. Rustic farmhouse decor creates a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, with a blend of practical and decorative elements that reflect a simpler countryside lifestyle. Historical contrast. Rustic farmhouse decor is rooted in the traditional homes of rural areas, especially those in the 18th and 19th centuries. Historical contrast. Rustic farmhouse decor is rooted in the traditional homes of rural areas, especially those in the 18th and 19th centuries. It reflects a simpler lifestyle where functionality was key and materials are sourced locally. The style has evolved to combine these historical elements with modern comforts. Design principles: simplicity, clean lines. While the style is cozy, it avoids overly ornate details. Furniture often features straightforward designs. Functional layouts. Spaces are designed to be practical and usable, with an emphasis on comfort and ease of living. Textures. Layering. Different textures are layered to add depth. For instance, a wooden table may be paired with a open table genre, and a wooden chair can complement a linen sofa. Natural imperfections, distressed finishes, and weathered surfaces are embraced, as they add character and a sense of history. Furniture and accessories. Storage solutions. Practical storage like open shelving and farmhouse-style cabinets help keep spaces organized and clutter-free. Vintage accents. Items such as antique clocks, old books, and vintage kitchenware contribute to the nostalgic feel. Textiles, patterned fabrics, plates, checks, and floral patterns are common, often used in cushions, curtains, and bedding. Rug styles. Hardwood or beaded rugs add warmth and texture to the floors. Wall treatments, chiplap and paneling. White or natural wood paneling creates a clean, rustic backdrop. Outer elements, landscaping. Rustic farmhouse exteriors often include gardens, vegetable patches, and gravel plots. Incorporating elements like a wooden sign or a farmhouse-style bench can extend the decor to outdoor spaces. Porch decor. Rocking chairs, wicker baskets, and potted plants are typical for a farmhouse porch. Modern adaptation, blending styles. Modern farmhouse decor combines rustic elements with contemporary touches, such as sleek metal fixtures or minimalist design. Sustainability, emphasizing eco-friendly materials and practices, aligns with the farmhouse ethos of simplicity and resourcefulness. Inspiration sources, books and magazines, publications focusing on interior design and rural living often feature farmhouse decor. Historical homes, visiting historical farmhouses or heritage museums can provide insights into traditional designs. Online resources, platforms like Pinterest and Instagram offer a wealth of ideas and trends in modern farmhouse decor. Overall, rustic farmhouse decor celebrates simplicity and functionality while embracing natural beauty and historical charm. Architectural details for rustic farmhouse ceilings, exposed beams, often left in their natural ordered state to enhance the rustic feel. They can be made of wood or even box beams that mimic the look. Vaulted ceilings, adding height to a space can be a feature, often combined with exposed beams for added charm. Windows, shutters, wooden or metal shutters, either functional or decorative, are common. Window treatments, simple, natural fabrics like linen or cotton in natural tones, or patterned designs like checks and stripes, enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Doors, barn doors. Sliding barn doors are a popular feature in modern farmhouse design, adding a touch of rustic charm with a practical function. Wooden doors, solid, often handcrafted wooden doors with simple hardware. Flooring, wood, hardwood floors with a distressed or reclaimed finish are traditional. White plank wood flooring is common, offering a rugged look. Tile, stone or ceramic tiles that mimic natural materials can be used in areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Rugs, layered rugs, such as a large sisal jug with a smaller patterned jug on top, add warmth and texture. Kitchen and dining cabinetry, open shelving, showcases dishware and adds an open, airy feel. It also reflects the practicality of farmhouse living. Farmhouse sink, a large, deep sink, often made of porcelain or stainless steel, is a practical and stylish choice. Countertops, Batka block, wooden countertops that are both functional and visually appealing. Granite, for a more chapel option, these materials can be chosen in natural tones to fit the rustic theme. Dining tables, Large tables, a substantial solid oak dining table, essential to farmhouse dining. It is often paired with mismatched chairs or benches. Farmhouse chairs. Chairs might include spindleback, leatherback, or simple wooden designs. Mushrooms, pictures, freestanding tubs, clawfoot or pedestal tubs, and a vintage touch. Vintage style buckets, shown or bronze pictures with an old-fashioned design. Rustic farmhouse decor blends timeless charm with modern comfort, creating a space that feels both historic and current. It is a style that celebrates simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.